Thuolo matin kende bang' jatend piny William Ruto timo lokruok e bad migepe mopogore opogore kendo walo jogoro mongirore, jotend jopuonjre mag mbalariany alwora ma Nyanza odwoko erokamano ne jatend piny kendo puoyo achiel kuomgi manowal kaka jagoro mongirore. Kane gilose boma ma Kisumo, gipuoyo Fikirini Jacobs manowal kaka jagoro mongirore kendo nyiso geno margi ni sirkal biro tiyo kod rowere machiegni.
Now that we have our own person, we hope that the youth fund comrade will feel the importance of that docket. We also have a good faith that we are also going to have timely disbursement of health, that the university fund model must be reviewed so that it only advocates for comrades' desires and hopes. We are going to ensure that as clinic gets in there, no discriminatory in the bursary for the government. Also the scholarships, we are going to fight for the comrades to also get the scholarships so that we remove the bias.
Gen Z te mantiere Kenya ka dhi yudo opportunity mondo mi giyud kaka ginyalo express their problems through Fikirini Jacobs.
Implement university-driven innovations and market job opportunities, where the government actively markets and secures job opportunities for graduates, reducing unemployment rates among the youth. Where youth are given leadership roles will accelerate economic growth, enhance governance, and provide sustainable solutions to the challenges facing our generation.